name is Alok Arora, founder and director of Gavisht Technologies Private Limited. As you know, keeping solar panels clean in large solar parks is a challenge. To keep solar panels clean, water and labor is used. In Indian climatic conditions, the efficiency of solar panels dropped to as low as 50% due to accumulation of dust on it. Also, the cleaning of solar panels is labor and water intensive. With the scarcity of water that is worrying around the world, we cannot use up one resource, which is water, to get more efficiency from another resource. So we have come up with a robotics, autonomous and waterless cleaning robot. The robot is autonomous. It has its own solar panel to charge its own battery, and it charges the battery while it operates. So with our robot, we have effectively solved the problem of accumulation of dust on solar panels and thus improving the efficiency of the solar panels.